Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So, today I'm looking at 1OK. 1OK is a dividend play, and my little change in strategy here, I'm going to be accumulating some dividend stocks in these accounts. Just a little bit more safety, and I think I can still generate some decent returns if I sell options on top of these. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to sell a put in this account, get as much premium as I can initially, so I can reduce my cost basis. Break evens at 57.60. I'm October 15th, about 3 weeks out. Pretty decent money. Let's take a look at, and it filled for 140, so I didn't ask for enough. It filled too fast. Let's go back and look at the position. Okay, here's my current position in 1OK. I have one share of stock, which is the tracking stock for these options. I have a put at 54, expires October 8th, and a put at 59 expires October 15th. Currently the stock's at 59.37, so I think it's going higher. And the 6.5% dividend is pretty cool. And if I can sell calls and puts on top of it, I can make probably another 30% or more on this stock every year. And let's see how that turns out. I think it'll be good. So stay tuned. Be sure you guys subscribe for more updates and more options trades and trade ideas. Be sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.